Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best Bakala Drying Rack is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked items in any modern kitchen, designed to streamline your dishwashing routine and enhance your countertop's aesthetic appeal. This innovative drying rack offers a practical and stylish solution for managing your wet dishes, cutlery, and glassware, ensuring they dry efficiently while keeping your kitchen organized and clutter-free. Its thoughtful design aims to maximize space and minimize drying time, making it a valuable addition for anyone seeking a more efficient and visually pleasing kitchen environment. Number 5. GorillaLine Retractable Clothesline. Setting up your new clothesline is a breeze. It installs in just minutes with all the necessary hardware included, perfect for any space like your laundry room, balcony, or even your RV. Tired of clutter? This retractable clothesline is designed to keep your small spaces tidy. With a simple one-touch operation, it's ideal for apartments, bathrooms, and RVs. Drying your laundry has never been easier. It extends up to 14.1 feet, providing ample space for all your items, from towels and linens to delicates and baby clothes. Cut down on your energy bills by air drying your laundry. Not only does it save you money, but it also helps protect your fabrics from damage caused by high heat. This versatile clothesline is perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. Hang wet towels, bed sheets, cloth diapers, or gym clothes with confidence. Featuring a sleek stainless steel housing, it seamlessly matches any decor. Keep your laundry room, bathroom, or balcony looking clean and modern. When not in use, it retracts instantly, tucking away neatly for a clean, minimalist look. Enjoy a tidy space without the eyesore of traditional drying racks. What we like? This retractable clothesline is perfect for those who need a flexible drying solution. It extends to a generous 14.1 feet, offering ample space for various laundry items. If you're looking for a clean, minimalist look and easy storage, this is the one for you. It retracts instantly, keeping your space tidy when not in use. What people say. The clothesline is well made and feels sturdy once installed. It holds a surprising amount of weight and works exactly as intended. Installation is straightforward, but it's important to follow the instructions carefully to make sure everything is secure. Once mounted properly, it functions smoothly and feels reliable. It holds my heavy dresses no problem, it's very strong. It doesn't snap back too quickly, which is nice so you don't have to worry about it snapping your fingers by accident. Number 4. HEILAIYI Wall-Mounted Folding Clothes Drying Rack. Tired of clutter? This wall-mounted rack folds away when not in use, maximizing your living space. It's the perfect, flexible solution for any indoor area. Use it anywhere you need. With 18 convenient hooks, you can hang clothes, hats, keys, or bags directly. It also functions as a simple hook when folded against the wall. Worried about damaging your walls? This rack comes with special adhesive for a firm, drill-free installation. Just follow the manual steps for a secure fit. Don't stress about weight. This rack has been tested to hold up to 150 pounds, so you can confidently hang all your laundry. We're here to help if you have any questions. What we like? Consider this wall-mounted rack if you want to maximize your hanging space without needing extra hangers. With 18 hooks, you can directly hang clothes, hats, or bags. If you prefer a drill-free installation that's still incredibly sturdy, this is an excellent choice for your laundry room or balcony. What people say. The rack is very sturdy and holds a lot of dishes. It's easy to assemble and doesn't take up too much counter space. The drying rack has a sleek and modern design that looks great in my kitchen. Number 3. ZdwCyl Retractable Wall Mount Clothes Drying Rack. Tired of bulky drying racks? This innovative design folds neatly against the wall, saving you precious space when not in use. Constructed with a thickened base, this rack is incredibly sturdy and durable. It can easily handle a significant amount of laundry, holding up to 220 pounds. Perfect for any room. Install it on your balcony, in the bathroom, or laundry room. You can even extend it outwards to catch more sunshine for faster drying. Crafted from high-quality space aluminum, this rack is resistant to rust and corrosion. Its multi-layered painted surface ensures it stays looking great for years to come. Choose the installation method that suits you best. It can be mounted with or without drilling, making setup a breeze on most surfaces. What we like. This trifold drying rack is ideal for those who need a robust and durable solution. Its space-saving design folds neatly against the wall, and it boasts an impressive load capacity of up to 220 pounds. If you prioritize strength and longevity, especially in high-humidity areas like bathrooms, its rust-resistant space aluminum construction makes it a standout. What people say. The rack is very sturdy and holds a good amount of dishes. It's easy to assemble and doesn't take up too much counter space. The drying rack has a sleek design that looks great in my kitchen. Number 2. In Vacuum Foldable Retractable Laundry Drying Rack. Tired of cluttered laundry spaces? Our innovative rack features a unique foldable and retractable design. It expands to hold more clothes when you need it and retracts to save space when you don't. Crafted from non-corroding aluminum and sturdy stainless steel, this rack is built to last. It can reliably hold up to 60 pounds, ensuring your clothes are always supported. This versatile hanger is perfect for any room, from bedrooms to balconies. Its convenient folding design makes storage a breeze and accommodates a variety of clothing and items. Get organized in no time. With all mounting hardware and clear instructions included, you can easily install it and start enjoying extra hanging space immediately. Ensure your garments stay perfectly dry and tidy. It's ideal for hanging dry cleaning, delicate items, or everyday wear, keeping them elevated and protected from potential spills. What we like. If you're looking for a lightweight yet strong drying rack, this aluminum option is a great pick. It can hold up to 60 pounds and offers versatile folding for space-saving storage. This is particularly suitable for smaller apartments or areas where you need a reliable rack for delicate items or dry cleaning. What people say. The rack is very sturdy and holds a lot of dishes. It is easy to assemble and looks great in my kitchen. The drying rack is well made and durable. Number 1. BOQORAD Wall-Mounted Collapsible Drying Rack. Install it easily with or without drilling. For a punch-free mount, ensure your wall is smooth like tile. It's designed to stay firmly in place. Crafted from high-quality metal, this rack is built for durability. You won't have to worry about rust, even after extended use. With a thickened base and substantial weight, it's incredibly sturdy. This rack can hold up to 220 pounds of laundry at once. Perfect for bedrooms, bathrooms, laundry rooms, or wardrobes. You can even extend it out the window for extra sunshine drying. It folds down to a compact size for easy storage. When unfolded, it offers ample space for all your drying needs. What we like. This wall-mounted rack is a fantastic option for anyone needing a heavy-duty and expandable drying solution. Made from high-quality metal, it can support up to 220 pounds and unfolds to an impressive 51.25 inches. If you have a larger family or frequently dry bulky items, its sturdiness and ample drying length make it a practical choice. What people say. It was super simple to install. Once mounted, it works very well and uses very little space. These are very versatile and I'm thinking about ordering a second one. It has multiple functions. You can use it to hang clothes right out of the dryer on individual hangers before putting them away in the closets, or to air dry clothes you don't want to put in the dryer. The quality is excellent, it holds a good amount of weight, and it's just perfect for any laundry room. They look nice and tuck away against the wall when not in use. I have routinely had them completely full of clothes. They seem sturdy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.